Very good evening to Dr. Agalia. Today I would like to present one of the requirement for system analysis and design um, project, which is the final project for semester September 2025. So for this final project, we have assigned to build the system for eco park system. So for this system, I would like to give an overview for the system, which is the purpose of these documents to define the functional, non-functional process and data requirement, and of course to consider the finding from the previous assignments and the topic that we have discussed before. So these reports basically to guide the user, developer, and tester to build event registration system suitable for education system institute. So the purpose of the system is basically to allow student or the staff or the user to browse event, register, receive confirmation, cancel registration, view, update event. So the system is actually to improve event accessibility, reduce the manual paperwork, and of course to streamline event administration. System positions, we have 4 parts, which is the first one is the student. Student to register for a social event, staff or lecturer to join event or manage academic related event, organizer or admin to create, update or manage registration, and institute management to retrieve statistic and participation reports. So this is more towards the analytics. So the organization definitions to is actually local education institute to manage club activities, academic staff workshop, and so on. The new system is to centralize everything to a secure digital platform, because currently organizer using spreadsheet and WhatsApp form to manage the event. So the system context, we have context diagram here. The institute admin created event, manage registration, event registration system, student register, view events, staff register, attend events, payment gateway if needed, validate payment. So user requirement, we have 2 types, which is the functional and non-functional requirement. Functional requirement, we have 3, which is for student. Of course, student view list of upcoming events, search filter, view event, register, cancel registration, view registration history, receive notification. For event organizer, they can create new events, edit event, view registration, approve, reject according to limit, and of course export attendance report. For admin, they can manage user, manage event categories, access full system reports, and generate dashboard analytics. For finding and of course business review. For non-functional requirement, we have performance. Examples: system must load all event page within 3 seconds. Security, encrypted password. Role-based access control. Of course, admin will have more control or access compared to organizer and students. Usability, user interface must follow human computer interaction principle, which is consistency, visibility, feedback. Accessibility on mobile, clear navigation. Readability, 99% uptime. Compatibility, the system is expected to be working fine or support Chrome, Safari, Edge, Firefox, and of course able to fluid between mobile and tablet screen. So process model, we have level 0, the registration system, student registration process. Database management, level 1, manage event registration, manage event. And data model, we have ERD here. One user can register multiple event. Multiple event is belong to multiple registrations is belong to one event. Okay, so we have the data dictionary, validity, user, events, and registrations. We have attribute, data type, and descriptions. User interface design, this is expected to have home, login, registration, events. Inside event, we have event detail, registration for event. We have my registration, profile, manage port, we have manage user, manage event, and reports. These are the screen layout. Testing method, we have unit testing, integration testing, system testing, UAT, and usability testing. For unit testing, we check each function such as registration, login, create event. Integration testing, ensure model interact properly. System testing, confirm overall system workflow, and UAT, ensure system meet user expectation. Usability testing, validate UI based on human computer interaction principle. So test case, I have 4 example of test case. A user logins valid credential, login successful. Student register for event, register store, organizer, edit event, edit save or updated save. Admin generate reports, report uploaded. Okay, we have requirement traceability matrix here. For user manual, we have student features, login using student mail, browse event, click event, recruit, my register, cancel feeder, organizer, login as organizer, open dashboard, create, edit event, view participant. So for administration features, manage user, manage event, view system analytics. Conclusion, so this systems is expected to understand the interaction design, cognitive limitation, user needs, to ensure the system is intuitive, scalability, and of course meet the real world institution population. So basically this final project, we did apply problem analysis, modeling, ERD, research test planning, and of course to meet the user requirement. So let me just walk through the system. So if I click on home here, I can see Eco Park Bukit Jelutong. I can see welcome to Eco Park Bukit Jelutong. I can see browse event. Just click home. I can see join community. If I scroll down, I can see community event here, upcoming event, and join community. If I click on event, I can see here there's a lot of winter. All will show all the available or upcoming event. If I go to fitness, it will show fitness event. If I go to education, it will go to education, community, and if I these are my favorite plants. I'm using the picture. If I go back to event, okay, if I go to environment, you can see here these are the summary of the event. If I click view detail, I can see date, location, availability, how many people have registered, how many spot left. I can register myself. I can understand the overview or the event highlights, and also what to bring, for instance. If I go to register, I can see join Eco Park. I can see my name here, all the information required. If I go to login here, I can see welcome back. If I'm a system member, I can just key in my username and also password. If I'm keying the wrong username password, it will prompt error. Of course, I can register here, or I can just click on register. Okay. Thank you so much. I think that will be all.